Hello, I am Subhashini, Associate Professor, CSC Department, Aurora's Technological and Research Institute, Hyderabad. In this video, I am going to talk about lark, Communication and Collaboration Suite, which is recommended by UNESCO for remote learning solutions. lark is a communication and collaboration suite for a more productive and efficient institute. Why lark? lark creates a highly productive collaboration experience for optimal team efficiency through a wide variety of interactive features such as calendar, calls and meetings, docs, messenger, open platform, and various useful built-in apps. How to lark? lark comes with so many features. Some of the features are calls and meetings, docs, messenger, calendar, workplace, attendance app, and so on. Calls and meetings. With calls and meetings, we can have live streaming of a meeting, share a screen, share docs in calls, work from home, increase conference efficiency, and so on. Using the feature of docs of lark, we can create our own documents and share with the learners. The messenger of the lark provides us facilitating remote communication. The calendar of the lark allows us to pre-schedule our events. Using lark, we can create our own workplaces. Administrators manage the workplace and the team members use the workplace. The attendance app of lark allows us to know the check-in and check-out time of the users. Like this, lark provides with several features. lark, industry solution for education. As I already told, it is recommended by UNESCO for remote learning solutions. lark is the ultimate education platform that addresses your institution's collaboration needs, allowing everyone to effortlessly learn and work anywhere. I will mention some of the uses of lark. Remote learning experience with lark. Use lark for remote teaching and learning. Use video meetings to facilitate online discussions, and so on. Let us understand lark as an all-in-one collaboration platform for everyone in the college. lark is end-to-end encrypted, which ensures more security when compared to Zoom. Instant collaboration with mobiles allows to access lark from anywhere at any time as the data is stored in the cloud. Using lark for intercollaboration among the instant messaging, shared calendar, online space and drive, video conferencing, etc. Several applications like approval templates, attendance application, announcements, etc. are integrated with the lark. lark is an open platform where we can have our own bots for help desk and other purposes. Now let us see how we will achieve dynamic communication using lark. Some of the features of lark which provides dynamic communication are message threading, emojis, chat history, making a call, quick switcher, chartboards allows us for dynamic communication. For example, quick switcher allows us to switch to different workplace. Another feature of lark that is calendar, it is a smart shared calendar. We can subscribe to multiple calendars, we can invite groups to meeting, schedule a room, meet a room chart, we can have public calendar and a calendar assistant. For example, to talk about public calendar avoids collision among schedules of different faculties. And calendar assistance reminds us about different schedules or events that are pre-scheduled. Now let us see the creation and space part of the lab. We can create the documents and sheets and we can share them with the students, as all these documents and sheets can be stored in the cloud. The most attractive feature of the lark is its video conferencing capabilities. With video conferencing capabilities or voice calls, we can meet anybody, anywhere at any time. We can also have the facility of sharing the screen. After knowing different features, let us see some use cases of these. Shared calendar. Using shared calendar, we can book our courses, library and consultation hours. Personal agenda management is possible and calendar assistant gives us reminders about the events. The slides used for student preview and question and answering. We can create the slides and upload for the learners. And the learners are allowed as co-authoring and sharing the slides. Using slides, quick commenting and discussions among students and faculties is possible. lark provides groups for different project teamworks, through which we can have quick replies using emojis which avoid noises in the conversations and communication. Auto message threads to provide more context. The lark docs feature are more interactive online documentation. We can share notes with teammates. And we can have flexible permission control. We can allow the document just only for viewing of the learners, or we also can allow the learners to edit the document that has been shared. We can provide the document as a reference document by inserting it. And we can also provide the discussions using the docs. We can use the video conference as beyond a classroom. Get remote lectures and students connects. Students can listen to the remote lectures. Faculty or the student can share their screen. Video recording facility is also available. Space, personal and team workspace. We can have our personal workspace as well as the team workspace. We can individually manage both. Lark provides the help desk using the chartboard, which is efficient for school administrative services. We can create chartboards to answer frequently asked questions, and we can connect with staffs at any time. Another important feature of the lark is the attendance application. We can take event and class attendance. The check-in and check-out time of the learners or the employees can be viewed here. So after knowing about all these things, let us see in the world who are the users of the lark. To name a few, there are universities in China and universities in USA and also in Singapore which are using the lark for their educational requirements. Finally, I am going to provide a link to the complete guide to lark. You can use this link to know more information about the lark. Thank you for being with me.